Hey guys, today we're going to do the unboxing and overview of the Google Pixel Buds A series. It's wireless earbuds from Google. This is their cheaper option. They have a Pro version that costs $200. These are $100. And it might seem like I'm doing a lot of wireless earbuds unboxings and stuff these days, but this one I actually got as a gift from my friend because he kind of felt sorry for me after I lost my $100 Google promotional credit for no reason. Basically, just because I made a mistaken order. You guys can look at my previous video where I talked about all my financial troubles. I uploaded that a few months ago. If you are care to listen to it, it's like a 2 hour long video. But yeah, basically what happened is I made a mistaken order on the Google store and I had a $100 promotional credit. Google refused to credit me back after I made that order, and they canceled it actually. So yeah, it's basically lost that money for nothing because they canceled my order and never gave me that money back. My friend felt sorry for me, so he gave me his promotional credit, which he had some extras, and I was able to just get this. I used that $100 promo credit basically to get this. So really, I didn't pay anything for this one. So if it seems like I'm doing a lot of wireless earbud reviews and unboxings these days, well, this one actually just came to me for free. So yeah, I still have some of the other wireless earbuds I can compare it to, so it'll be interesting to compare this one with those. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. It's a pretty small box. Yeah, this is the clearly white version. I usually like the white color. I don't have a Google Pixel these days. Google's coming out with a Pixel Fold, which would be interesting. That's the one I'm waiting for. But yeah, I've had a lot of bad luck with Pixels. I had the Pixel 2 actually, which is quite good. I used that for quite a while, but then the Pixel 4 and 4a had microphone issues, and I didn't like that. The microphone just didn't work well, so I haven't had good luck with those. And the battery life on Pixel phones were not good for me. None of them had good battery life. All right, so yeah, you have this egg-shaped little pill case. And then you have a USB-C to USB-A cable right here, as we should have. And we have like a little manual thing with, what is this? Are these ear tips? Okay. They give you, that's interesting. It's like a small little backpack on top of this manual here. Yeah, you get, okay, 4 more earbuds. So in total you get 6. I'm guessing there's 2 already on there. So I'm guessing you get 6 total. And it's pretty much it. And of course you get the safety information, and you get the quick start guide, I'm guessing. Yep, so yeah, connect to your Android phones, other devices, pairing, goes all the way back to Android 6, nice. Open the earbuds case for the pairing button. Okay, and then touch controls, which I personally don't like to have on wireless earbuds or headphones, but these days, you know, you see a lot of headphones and earbuds using touch controls, because I'm guessing that's an easy way to implement them, but I personally don't like it. I don't like having to learn all these gestures. Sometimes they don't register correctly, etc. But it is what it is. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty simple. I'll see which one has the best fit. I'm guessing the medium size. This is a small pair of earbuds and small pair of ear tips and a larger pair. I'm guessing the medium size pair is already on there. Okay. Okay, the case itself is fairly small. Open it up, and there you go. It guess it's trying to be like the AirPods. Well, not really. I guess the AirPods have that little like Q-tip thing, right? That comes out, but at least yeah, this part. See, got it Google branded here. Yeah, the little case is pretty nice. It's fairly small. And then I'm guessing this is the pairing button here that you press and hold to pair it, which is interesting because it's on the case and not the earbuds. So okay, this is what the earbuds look like. Comes with a medium pair of tips, right? Okay, and I'm going to try them out. I don't have a lot of high expectations for these earbuds because Google is not really an audio company. So I'm not really expecting them to really knock it out of the park or anything. And plus the fact that these are only $100, and you can often find them on discount very easily for like $50 or whatever. But in any case, I'll still compare it to my final Audio Z3000s. my master in dynamic NW08s and my Klipsch T5 2s, which are my current existing set of wireless earbuds. Let's see how the Pixel Buds A series holds up. All right, so after listening to the earbuds for a while, I think I reached a conclusion that it's actually not too bad. I mean, given the fact that they're meant for, they're not meant for audiophiles or anything. They're just meant for, casual listeners, the typical smartphone user. I think they're fine. Actually, it's fairly easy to pair it because actually when you actually just bring it near one of your smartphones, it'll ask to pair it. One of your Android smartphones, I should say. When you bring it close to your Android smartphone, they'll just ask to pair it if this is on. I didn't even have to press this button on the back. It'll ask you to download the app. Once you download the app, it'll basically, it's like this. You have the touch controls, right? You can kind of customize your touch controls here. Single tap, double tap, triple tap, touch and hold for Google Assistant. You can change up the sound, which is very interesting. You can actually choose the amount of bass that it has. By default, it's on the second level here, which I think is fairly good. If you push it up higher, I think the bass is a little bit overwhelming if you push it up. But I think at this default tier, it's fine. Volume EQ and adaptive sound to me sounds like something you should always have on. Like, I think it sounds just a little bit better when I have these things on. Yeah, so I usually just leave that stuff on. And then in-ear detection, when you're actually putting it in your ear. And then of course you have the other stuff too, you can update it and stuff. So yeah, just ask you to install this Pixel Buds app once you connect it to your smartphone. And yeah, they're just perfectly acceptable. Like, they're not great. Obviously it's not meant for audiophiles or something. But they're not really expensive either. Like, I know they're $100 retail, but like you can easily find it online or on sale for $50. So really, at that price, it's not too bad. And at least it's fairly easy to use. Like, the gestures and everything is fairly easy to remember and use, which is fine. Nothing too complicated. Easy to pair and set up. The case is decently small, I guess, just nice and portable. It's got a decent fit in my ear. And yeah, overall, I think most people who just use their smartphones for listening to music occasionally or, watching videos and stuff will be fine with this. Yeah, but compared with these other ones, Klipsch T5 2 or Master Dynamic MW08s or the Final Audio Z3000s, obviously I think these ones, the sound quality is better, but these ones are also more expensive. So yeah, I think the Pixel Buds A series for what it is fine. Actually, I believe if you upgrade it to the Pro, which is $200, the only major thing you get is noise canceling out of it. I don't believe the sound quality is that much different. So yeah, the only major thing you'll be getting from upgrading to the Pro is basically noise canceling. Although these provide some okay passive noise isolation as well, but of course, if you want active noise canceling, then the Pro version is the way to go. But you won't be getting an upgrade in sound quality, I don't believe. So yeah, if you really want to upgrade in sound quality, check out one of these other. Plus the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless 3s. That's also another contender. But there's a bunch of other wireless earbuds that you guys can check out. And the Bowers & Wilkins, I believe, makes the PI7, which are a really nice pair of wireless earbuds as well. Oh yeah, and there's also the Aston & Kern UW100s. Yes, Aston & Kern also makes wireless earbuds. Also curious to check those ones out maybe in the future, but they're a little bit too expensive for me. But I'm sure those are also, higher quality and sound quality compared to the Mastering Dynamics as well. Oh yeah, Noble Audio just released their Focus Mystique, which I believe might be the most audiophile pair of wireless earbuds on the market. But those are quite expensive. They're like $500. So yeah, there's any number of upgrades if you want to go with better sound quality. But I think for what it is, especially for something I got for free, yeah, perfectly fine, perfectly acceptable. It's actually better than I expected for what it is. The Master and Dynamic MW08s are probably my favorite out of this bunch. They're also the most expensive. I paid about $150 US for it, although that's still below MSRP, which is like $200-300. But yeah, they're very nice styling, physical controls, they have active noise cancellation. The sound is very balanced, which I like, and very detailed. So yeah, this is still my go-to for my pair of just best quality wireless earbuds that I own. I just usually go for the Master in Dynamic. Although I realize the Bowers & Wilkins or the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless or the Noble Focus Mystique, probably even better than this in terms of sound quality, but you know, those are also more expensive. And the final audio Z3000s are pretty good as well. Especially you can get it for a cheaper price, about $100. So for what this is, yeah, I think this is definitely, if you're looking for something that's just solid sound quality for the price, for $100, the final audio Z3000 is still probably the way to go. The clip's just nice too if you can find it below MSRP. I wouldn't buy the clip at MSRP, but if you can find it below like around $80 or so, it's also a perfectly fine choice. And then the Pixel Buds A series, if you don't care that much about sound quality, you just want something that's very capable, that's good enough, then yeah, the Pixel Buds A series is good enough for the price. Which if you can find it for $50 or for free, then that's totally good. You know, that's good value. I would not buy this at $100. I don't. I like $100. I can get the final audio Z3000s, right? Way better sound quality. But if you can get it for $50 or below, then yeah, it's perfectly fine. Good choice. So that's it, guys. As always, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thanks for watching.